Alright, so I figured I'd make a video covering how to install the VEIKK A30 touch tablet drivers on Kubuntu. So what you're going to do, we have just our search engine open here. We're going to search for VEIKK tablet, and the model we're using is the A30. Driver download, and this is the one you want here. Download VEIKK and A30, and since we're using Kubuntu, it's under the same download as Ubuntu, so this is the one we want right here. So we're going to click download. Wait for the download to finish, and yep, it's completed. We're going to go to our downloads folder, right click on that, open with QApt package installer, and it will install for you. I'm not going to do it because I already have it installed, so I don't want to break anything. So that will take care of the driver installation, but the step most people won't tell you is after you do that, if you go to your Krita software, the tablet still won't work. What you have to do is actually search for, and it came up there, the VEIKK tablet driver. You have to run that. It'll take a while to initialize, and see down here on the right, that means the tablet driver is running. So then if you hook up your tablet, it'll work fine. So that should be about it. Thanks for watching.